Requested over here on Investors Hangout. Again, another one we haven't went over for quite a while. It looks like about February since the last time we went over this one. Again, I mean, that's not even relevant now to what we're looking at. So currently traded at 0.4, that's 4 cents. You guys are going to have that resistance level at 0.5. A break at that 0.5 could spike a possible run here. And you guys are trying to get through that 20-day simple moving average after the beatdown the last 3 days. The 20-day simple moving average is currently at 0.393. You guys are currently at 0.4, so you guys are technically above that 20-day simple moving average. Starting to look a nice setup here after the last 3 days of a beatdown. A break of that 0.5. A 0.5 break could spike a run here as well. The 0.3 is going to be a must hold. We'll see how this one plays out, but hopefully this volume starts to pick up a little bit more to push you through that 0.5. You guys are setting up here after a 3-day beatdown, but again, things could be turning around here, and that's what we're going to be watching for with this one.
All right, so these guys had a press release on May 11, 2017. It was OMVS enters into binding agreement with robotic assistance devices. So Anderson, Nevada on May 11, 2017 on the Move Systems Incorporated is pleased to announce that it has entered into a binding letter of intent with robotic assistance devices, which is abbreviated as RAD, to acquire 100% of RAD according to the binding letter of intent. RAD and OMVS will enter into a definitive agreement within the next 90 days to consummate the acquisition. This acquisition is expected to generate significant value for OMVS, said Garrett Parsons, president and CEO of OMVS. RAD has tremendous growth opportunity, has a growing backlog of over $1 million in orders, and has garnered significant interest among the Fortune 500 community. RAD is specialized in the delivery of artificial intelligence and robotic solutions for operational, security, and monitoring needs. RAD is initially targeting the security industry, which uses electronic systems and approximately 1.1 million security guards in the U.S. The RAD robotic security guard solution combines the best of both solutions to provide superior security at a price that delivers to its clients an immediate rate of ROI. So RAD's robotic unit is a fully autonomous unmanned ground vehicle that can perform 80% of the tasks of a human security guard at less than half the cost. It incorporates advanced intelligence to augmented traditional patrolling services by detecting humans and vehicles while initiating the standard operating procedures, much like a human security guard. It operates up to 12 hours without recharging and continuously patrols in any weather environment, including rain, snow, gusty wind, and temperatures ranging from -10 to 125 degrees. The security robot incorporates automatic obstacle avoidance sensors, two-way audio, panic button, and onboard 360-degree video surveillance to create situational awareness much greater than any other type of solution. It integrates with the leading video management solutions and supports other business systems for special equipment, sensor integration, and advanced software development. Data is also captured and stored in the cloud for long-term data and video retention. So RAD currently has a sales pipeline of over 50 Fortune 500 companies and over 25 qualified dealers and distributors that have a combined customer base of more than 35,000 end user corporations. So that's the press release from May 11th. So if you want to continue doing more due diligence on the Move Systems Corp, and actually, you know what? There's even there's an 8K over here in regards to this. You know, where they're going, they enter into material definitive agreement, like where they're planning on, in consideration for the whole of the RAD equity, OMVS shall issue to SR 3,350,000 shares of Series E preferred stock and 2,450 shares of Series F preferred stock. And then it says, subject to OMVS declaring itself satisfied with its due diligence of RAD within 60 days of the execution of this binding letter of intent. So that's that. So I mean, there's more of that within that 8K you can go and pull up too. So if you want to do that, you just go right over to the OMVS board. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. It's all right there at your fingertips. If you have an opinion on the company, Feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using Investors Hangout daily, or post them right over there on the Move Systems Corp board.
All right, OMVS, like Joe was just saying, all that stuff that he was going over is right here. The filings, recent news, all that stuff's at your fingertips. All you have to do is go to the news and click on that headline, and it'll pop out right in front of you just like that. You can cover a lot of news really quick. Time and sales, one of my personal favorites, like I always talk about. The time, price, and volume for each trade for the last 30 days. Really cool, completely free. Remember that, free. Most sites charge you for that. 04, where you're currently at. Resistance at 04 and 05. Support at 03. Must hold it. Break at 05 would be bullish and could make some moves. That 03 is going to be a must hold area. Like I said, we'll continue to watch this one. OMVS. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. Get out there and share this video with all other investors.